Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trout fishing at Green Valley Lake. This is Jackie.
It's my first time fishing trout here. I've done some fishing in Mammoth this season. Is probably my first season fishing since I was a kid, so this guy's teaching me a lot today.
Alright, so she brought two of her rods. I'll rotate this around.
If you can see them with the sun.
Yeah, so on the left we have a night crawler inflated with some Lip Rippers garlic night crawler, and then that one's got like the Captain America power bait. And then over here on my side I have a mice tail. So it's orange glow mice tail. And then I'm probably going to throw some jigs, maybe try some Kastmaster lures, and if that doesn't work then night crawlers should do it. But as you can see, I got two cameras today, so hopefully we catch and you'll get the double view. We're here next to the dam and the time is 8:13 in the morning. So we've been here 10 minutes, it's been set up, so we're just waiting for a bite. Okay, we got the gold Kastmaster. I'm going to throw towards the center of the dam. There we go. Let it sink. Wind it back. It's a 1/4 ounce Kastmaster. Fish on. Jackie. Yeah.
So maybe you can leave it like down here. You want the net?
Yeah, bring the net over. Right here on the Kastmaster. Yep, it's a rainbow trout.
Huh?
It's trout.
You have it running?
Just turn it on. There we go. It's going. Jackie's gonna go in with the net. Just scoop him from the bottom. Pull him right in. There we go. Good job on the net. And actually, he was barely hooked.
Oh wow!
Look at the lure. Look at the lure. Right here.
Yeah.
So let's go over to the camera over here. That's a nice one right there. That's actually like a 2.5, 3 pounder. So this is the gold Kastmaster that I just used. My second cast towards the dam. I let it sink for 5 seconds and I did the kind of a slow retrieve. And let's take this fish out and we'll show these people.
That's a good size.
Yeah, it's a nice fat one. Let me show you guys here. He stops jumping around. Oh!
Don't lose him.
He's feisty. He's feisty. He's kind of mad because I ruined his day. But there's a nice 2.5, 3 pounder. Jackie's gonna take a photo for me. Oh! He's mad. Right.
I got him as he was flopping away.
I got him by the mouth.
I was gonna say, hook him on your stringer.
I gotta wash him for the photo.
I know.
Alright.
He's a feisty one. Alright, I think we got one.
We're gonna put him in my basket. Okay. Fish in the basket. There's one, yes. I didn't get skunked. So this is my 3rd trip to Green Valley. I was here twice, like 2 years ago, and I got nothing. So I think from the intel I got yesterday, deep water is where they're at. The Kastmaster kind of imitates a little minnow or a shad, like a little fry.
Okay.
So, I don't want to hit him. There. So, when you, like, I felt it was going to hit him, so what I did is I put my hand on the spool and I stopped the line.
Okay.
And it stopped good 10 feet short of him.
I thought I was like,
I bet,
more accurate.
I bet you I could get the hat off his head.
Could
Snag it.
You might cut him up a little bit first.
Hook up on the Kastmaster. Fish number 2. Come on, Jackie.
I'll get the net and get it.
Here, you want? Here. Here. Jackie can play. Here, you can play with the fish. So keep tension on the line, wind, grip up here, and then wind. Just reel him in. Guide him into the net.
Nice.
Okay, so we got 2, and then open the bail. Flip that open, yeah, give some slack. And that's it. So there's fish number 2. It's on the gold Kastmaster. Let's see where the lure is. I think it's open. Open your mouth.
No.
Oh, it already popped out.
It already popped out. It's in the net.
Okay. Okay. Fishy, stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Okay, unsnag the lure in the net. Was it caught in the bottom?
On the bottom, pretty good. There we go. Got
There we
it.
go. So show everyone the lure that I used. That's the silver Kastmaster. That's my trout. So this is a good, about a 1 pounder.
Yeah.
So,
All right, let's go get him back in the water in your net.
okay. So we're gonna put him in the basket. Was that fun? Did you like pulling that fish?
Awesome.
I wasn't even paying attention. I was kind of looking away, but I felt it in my hands and I'm like, oh, that's a fish. So Kastmaster, 1/4 ounce gold Kastmaster is the way to go. It's working. Okay. That one's kind of bleeding, so he might not live too long, but
Which one?
the little one that I
Oh,
caught,
the
he was
original
squirming
one.
around and my finger was in his gill.
The original one looked like he was bleeding a bit.
See the bass? Here's what I got so far, just the 2 trout. The 2 pounder is still alive. 3 pounder, I don't know. Barely hanging on.
The little guy's feisty.
Yeah, he's got a lot of energy. The other one, not so much. Not bad. Seems like the fish have moved on somewhere, but we're gonna stick to this spot, and now we have bait in the water. Mice tails, night crawlers, power bait. Alright, we're at the Green Valley Lake fish cleaning station. I got 2 fish so far. They're both caught on Kastmaster. That's a 16 to 17 inch. And this one's about a foot. And that's probably like a 3/4 pound, maybe ½ pound. This one's about 2.5 pound. So we're gonna clean these out really quick. They got nice running water, they got plastic bags, everything. So what you want to do is cut the belly side first. Got it. Okay. And then behind the head, just go straight down. Pull. There's some power bait in there. There's actually corn in his stomach. There's corn right there. So he was eating corn. Somebody was fishing illegally. You're not supposed to use real corn when you fish because it clogs their digestive system. but someone did it. There's all these corn kernels.
Oh,
there's his
wow.
head. Right in the trash. And then what you do is there's going to be a bloodline in here. You got to run your thumb straight down, and then all the blood will come out from the spine. And then point down here. Just lower the camera. It brings in.
Here?
And just give it a good rinse. You want to get all this like coagulated blood out, so it doesn't leave like a fishy taste. And then just take out like the stomach lining. Throw that in the trash. Okay, so that's pretty much clean. It's gilled and gutted. There's no head. And then optionally, like if you want to take some of the scales off, you just go ahead and scrape it like that. So we'll get some of the scales off. See all the silver scales there. Would you like a bag for 10 cents more? Or we say paper or plastic. Look, it just holds it right there. There's one. And then for the big one, the same thing. From the bum hole. Slide it right up the belly, up to the jaw, right there. And then I just cut behind the head, right through the spinal cord, and then from there I just pull. And then all the guts come out with the head as one piece. Goes in the trash. Run your thumb right through and push all the blood out, and then give that a rinse.
Okay, scrub it down.
So that's most of it there. I'm going to leave the scales on because I peel off the skin when I get home. And just put it in the bag. That's how you clean fish.
And then there's that to clean up.
Yeah, that's a little scrubby and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go try a different spot after we put all this away, and hopefully if we catch, you'll see.
So I think he's a little bored. He found a cool stick to make maybe a pseudo fishing rod out of. Let's see how this works.
And then we're gonna put like some kind of lure on the end, or bait, probably some bait. I don't even know how to cast this thing. Love it, right?
Oh, okay.
Too short. Okay, end of the day, just about 5 o'clock. We ended up with 2 fish, both caught on gold Kastmaster, or bronze. Gold or bronze, I think it's more bronze. 1/4 ounce, and they were caught over there by the dam. That's the north side of the dam. See where that guy is over there? And then we switched to this side around 1 o'clock after we cleaned those 2 fish. We used all kinds of baits, night crawlers, power bait, mice tail, kept throwing my lure. Nothing, so the fish got scared, they kind of just disappeared. But it was fun. Got 2 fish, 1 each.
I'm catching a lot of this stuff.
Yeah, lots of eelgrass. So just make sure you clean your baits and your lures every time you retrieve them. And that's about it. Yeah, fishing's kind of a hit or miss here. It's fun. We still caught 2, but don't expect it to be like crazy right now. I don't know. The fish are just kind of, I don't know, they're not active for some reason. I don't know where they went, and they're not real hungry or too aggressive today, but try everything in your box. Bring lures, bring power bait, mice tails, your jigs if you can, and give it a try though. It's only 15 bucks. 15 bucks, bring your fishing license. Green Valley Lake. Jackie, tell them what you thought about this place.
It's fun.
Not bad.
I didn't technically catch my own fish. I got to reel in one of his.
So I
So
hooked
I'm a
it and
little
I handed it off, but she still got to pull one in, and then she gets to take one home and eat it, which we already cleaned. So thanks for watching my channel. Next week I'll be in Catalina on the Ara On, and we're going to be leaving from Long Beach Sport Fishing. It's going to be a full day, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. trip. And also, I'm just going to invite you guys because a lot of my subscribers always ask when they can join me on a fishing trip. So here's your chance. We still have like, I think 20 spaces left. So if you go to longbeachsportfishing.com, just Google that. Go to September 23rd. It's the 7 a.m. trip. We have to meet at 6 a.m. at the docks and check in at the office. And then we leave 7 o'clock sharp. And it's a full day. It's $90 if you have everything. If you already have a license and fishing gear, tackle. And if you need to rent and you don't have a license and you still need like hooks and weights, then you're gonna pay about $130 because it's like $30 or $40 to rent everything and to get a license. So anyone that wants to join, September 23rd, that's next Saturday, out of Long Beach Sport Fishing. Hope to see you there.